Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnet Reviews. For today we're checking out a Scarab 210 LX Wake. At the Orlando Boat Show this one was up for sale for $81,450. And unlike most boats at the show, this one is jet driven. She's powered by a Rotax 1630 Ace. This is a 300 horsepower. It's 1630 cc's. It's a 3-cylinder 4-stroke inboard. This is a supercharged engine with an external intercooler, and it's got a closed-loop cooling system. And this will easily get you into speeds in excess of 40 miles per hour. This one is going to turn heads everywhere it goes, especially in this livery. It is black with an afterburner orange, which measures in with an 8.5 feet beam, and it's a very stable boat for its size. She's only 22 feet 6 inches in length, and the boat and engine is around 3,600 pounds. But this is the wake version, and there's 620 pounds of wake ballast included. So part of the wake package is you've got this extended platform, making it easier to get on and off your wakeboards. And I love this marine mat that's on it throughout. I'm barefoot as you can see, and it's very soft and comfortable to walk on. So starting at the stern, you're going to see here we've got the drinks holders. We've also got that plate where you can put a cockpit table. Those speakers throughout because there's Bluetooth stereo included. Very comfortable seating, forward and rear facing. Rear facing is obviously ideal if you're going to have wakeboarding or skiers. And there's really comfortable, thick padded seating. It's going to be very comfortable for everybody on board. Easy to make your way into the cockpit with that passageway in between. And you're basically walking over the engine compartment at this point. And this one's got the tower on it, so it's going to be carrying your bimini top. It's also got the bracket for the wakeboard rack. And this is powered, so you can easily lower it whenever you want to put it on the trailer. And you'll notice there are handholds in place. And then to get to the engine, you just twist this little hatch. And when it opens up, you'll see you get full access to that engine. 300 horsepower in a boat of this size is a lot of power. And this one's going to get up to speed real quick. It's easy enough to do all your daily checks, but also you can remove this hatch altogether if you ever need to do any major work on the engine. So 3-cylinder 4-stroke, fuel efficient, ready to go. And I'll include a link to Scarab's website. You can get more information on all the details of this boat. But as we move forward, again you'll see there's handholds in place, there's drinks holders, there's speakers, and then check out the helm. I challenge you to find a boat that offers as much fun and potential as this does, brand new for less than $90,000. You get 2 seats at the helm. They do have the bolster effect, so you can sit down or stand up. We've also got storage in the deck itself, and that's going to be ideal so that you can put in your skis, your wakeboards, maybe even fishing rods, canopy covers, seat covers, things like that. And then at the helm, you've got a digital multifunction display for your engine controls. You get the wireless charger, you can put your cell phone on. You've got your Bluetooth stereo. You can adjust the angle of the steering wheel. And you've even got a wireless charger on the other side too. Drop down lockbox here. Ideal if you want to put cell phones, keys, wallets, things like that. Moving further forward, you've got storage access on either side of the console. This is going to be really ideal if you want to throw in a cooler, perhaps you want to throw in a backpack, something like that, change your clothes, wetsuits, things along those lines.
Charlie.
Everything closes so securely that everything's going to stay in place while the boat's underway or on the trailer. Then moving up to the bow, very comfortable seating if you want to sit here or lay here. And it's actually got a section that's carved out for anchors. So if you want to have an anchor in here, go to your favourite spot, cast off and enjoy some time on the water.
Yes.
There's storage underneath the other seats. And again, you can put more backpacks in here, things along those lines. You can close that window off so that when the boat's underway, you won't have that wind and spray come through. And I just love the colour of the materials for really standing out and grabbing attention. And I'll include a link to Scarab's website. They've got a little section on the website where you can build your own and customise it as how you would suit. But I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. You can go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, if you can hit that like and subscribe button. It really does make a difference. And I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.